Hey guys, so day number 16. So yesterday I didn't do much. I couldn't. I was a mess. Um you know, it's a tough one. It's November and it seemed like November's just not been good for me for the last couple of years because it's always a death, and yesterday just so happened to be one of my coworker passed away. So I was not good. And I attempted to write. I think I got about a little under 400 words. And I felt like I was forcing myself, and I just stopped and just had a glass of wine and went to sleep. So woke up this morning with a better, not crying. I haven't cried today, so that's a good sign. And I just started writing a little. So I have about a little under 1,000 words, and I have a few stuff I need to get done. It is about almost 2 o'clock, so I'm going to head out. I need to do some stuff and then come back in the night and write. Some weird reason, guys, is either if I'm not writing better at a coffee shop, I'm writing at night. So I noticed that the last two vlog, if you see it, it's nighttime and it looks so dark when I look at some of the footage, but at some reason, I am a night person when it comes to writing, or I'm in a coffee shop. So, yeah. So anyway, I did not get to hit the 30K yesterday, and I could have hit it had I been in a better mood, but I'm gonna hit it today because I have about, if I can get to, what am I, like 1,500 more words, I will definitely hit the 30K today. I'm still ahead, so I'm not beating myself up too much for not, well, I can't. Guys, yeah, I'm just gonna end it right here. Anyway, on to the next. Hey guys, it is Sunday. Yeah, so I did hit last night the 30K, so I'm over 30K. And today I'm gonna try again with the 2,000 a day. So far I have 1,100, so I'm doing good. But I'm gonna take a break. It's like 12:44 in the day. It's Sunday. It's my chill day. Pretty sure I'm gonna write more later, but right now I just want to chill. And then also I was watching a video for on YouTube. Mina reads. I think that's her name. And she talked about an author whose book I've read once. One book I read from the author. Wrote a short story inspired by her. So I downloaded it and I'm like, oh yeah, it's not even that many pages. So I'm going to chill, read it, and give y'all a quick thoughts on it, and then get back to writing. So yeah, so it should be on my, let me see if I could pull it up for you guys. Well, it's not showing up, guys. Pretty sure. Yeah, I did download it. Why is it not showing up? Oh, there we go. It's called it's from Christina C. Jones, and it is called +1. So I have to download it. I downloaded on a computer, but not on my Kindle, so I have to download. I have not used my Kindle in probably 2 weeks. Nope, more than that. I haven't used it all this month, so that could be a factor why it's so slow. Okay, so that's the cover, guys. So that's the cover. So yeah, we'll see. But it's pretty cool. I think it's cool when an author is inspired by one of their supporters, because this girl always talking about, because I do follow her on Twitter as well, and she do talk about this author a lot. So, and even on Instagram she talks about the author a lot. So I think it's really cool. And you know I'll be blushing to feel real good if an author did that for me. But yeah, I'm gonna read it, guys. Hey guys, so we are in day 19. I'm close to 35. I will definitely hit the 35 today. Hopefully 36. So I'm getting close to 40. But guys, the sun is out. But all I can think about is in 2 days I will be on vacation for 9 days. Yes. So the goal is to read. I did finish that short story. I read it the same day. It was really short. I mean, I think I read it in like 35 minutes, something like that. It is a cute dating where you, in an online dating situation where the person profile did not fit initially what you like, but when you met the person by accident, the person turns, it is like a connection that you didn't expect. So it's one of those, but it's real cute. If you have a Kindle Unlimited, it's free right now, so highly suggest you pick it up. Also, I am just trying along with this story. I'm enjoying this part of the story I'm writing right now. It is fun, kind of, I don't know. It's fun. It makes me smile when I'm writing this part because I did write a particular chapter that was just heavy. So I was kind of happy that I was able to get through that chapter because, this week is just not a good week for all the things that's been going on. So writing that chapter was just like, okay, yeah, a lot of emotions going on here. But now I'm at it's a fun section of the book that I'm really liking. But I have a long way to go. But I'm liking the transition I'm in now with the story. So yeah. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so it is a little dark, sorry. I'm in my writing spot. It's nighttime as usual because that's when I usually write. Yeah. Can't help it, guys. So anyway, I am going to continue. I usually end the vlog here on Thursday, which is, the 21st, but I kind of want to get to the 40K. I am still short of a little over 1,000 words. So, no, actually 1,700. So I'm gonna just continue writing some more tonight, and then tomorrow, because officially I'm on vacation, but I am tired, so I'm going to get some rest today, and then tomorrow I am going to be able to write and relax. So for the rest of the month I have no work, so I can really focus on this. I also been reading, so there's some books that I'm going to do a separate video for. But also I'm really being bummed out because now that I have all this free time, my intention was to go to the cafe or coffee shop that's near me, especially my favorite, and it's just so happened my favorite is closed. The property was sold. I don't know if they own the property, but they sold, and potentially they might move a little bit more block or two down. But I'm just irritated because it seems like anywhere that I enjoy, this is a place that's been open for over 10 years. I went there when I was in grad school. I spent a lot of time there writing, my reports, my papers, any project I had in grad school. My first NaNoWriMo I did there. So it's just a little sad that it's gone now. And, a lot of times when they take away these favorite spots of mine, they don't replace it with something better. It's usually something like crappy, something I'm not interested in or nothing. So yeah, I'm not happy about that. But the new spot that I did find, it's, that's gonna be the spot I go to now. It's smaller, and on weekends it tends to be crowded, so that's gonna be a little bummer. But weekdays is pretty good. So yeah, so that's my thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna add Friday to this before I end week number 3. So yeah, and the goal is to hit that 40K. I just will feel better just hitting the 40K because I know that the 10K to get to the 50 is going to be so much easier because there's so much stuff I know I want to write, but this section is a little bit building up to other things. Yeah. So yeah, that's where I'm at, guys. Wish me luck. Guys, so I'm gonna finish the vlog here. So I hit the 40. That was the goal, and I'm on track. But now that I'm off and I have no work, I have time, so I can actually get proper sleep and finish. So I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you're doing, if you hit your 50 mark or you are on track of whatever goal that you set for yourself. You know, let me know. So yeah, I'm getting some sleep, guys. I'm tired. And thanks for watching. Bye.